Hello guys and welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Quadface and Flowify to make your text follow any curve in SketchUp. Let's get started. Select the face and hit Unsmooth Quads. Select Unwrap UV Grid. Select the two edges of your geometry starting from the side and then the bottom edge. Rotate the unwrapped geometry and align it to your original geometry. Connect the two geometry using a line tool. Make sure that the line connects from the end point of each geometry. Group the lines and the two geometry individually, then select all the groups and group it together. Select everything including your grouped text, then hit Flowify from the extension menu. Here are some more examples. If you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up Hit the notification bell and subscribe for more amazing content.